Hey, today in the morning I was giving my thought on opportunities of waste management. I was just thinking, and amazing concept which I found. I was searching something on net. I found that if we recycle first single mineral water bottle, if we recycle, then we get energy for 4 hours. For 4 hours, that one bulb can run for 4 hours. That much energy you can generate from recycling a single mineral water bottle. Then I think about how many bottles per minute has been purchased throughout the world. You will be amazed to listen that number. It is 1 billion. I am saving 1 million bottles has been purchased per minute throughout the world. If you calculate a per day purchase, it would go around 1.5 billion of bottles, plastic bottles throughout the world we purchase. Everybody is purchasing plastic bottle. So through that, what my main intention was to think about the opportunities, that what opportunities these waste, we say after drinking the water, whatever remains is the waste for us, and we feel that this is waste, but this is bringing a tremendous opportunity for us to work in that sector of waste management. Through that 1.5 billion of plastic bottles, you can run a single bulb for around more than 600 years. More than 600 years. Single bulb can run on the basis of 1 day purchase of plastic bottles throughout the world. It is amazing number. Friends, really it is amazing number, and there is a huge potential in waste management sector. We had taken a very single part of our life, which of day-to-day life. But if you think over the period, if you think over your n number of products which comes out as a waste, and if we can generate something from that, if we can generate from energy from that, definitely it would be useful for us. Friends, my name is Dr. Ashish Polkade, and I had been working from last several years on zero waste concept. So in this zero waste concept, today I will be giving you a thought on opportunities on waste management. So what are the opportunities? Before going into opportunities, we will say a sector by sector, in which sector you can work to give your services for the zero waste. So there are several sectors. I will say the 6 main I found when you want to work in this zero waste sector. First is the services. Services everybody needs. Everything you can categorize into a service sector for zero waste. Like if you access to the society for managing their waste, if you are giving some maintenance work. So these all comes under services. Manufacturing, the plant manufacturing, wherein you can biogas plant manufacturing, compost plant manufacturing, e-waste plant manufacturing, even a single home dustbin manufacturing can also considered into this field, that is manufacturing sector. Third one is you can say consultancy. Yes, if you have a domain knowledge, if you had been working for so long in this area, then you can give a consultancy for that. Fourth and foremost is a research and development. There are innovative concepts. In Switzerland is importing waste from other countries. They have developed some innovative ways to process their waste and convert it into energy. So similar innovations we can make in the field of zero waste, so that the research and development is one of the field wherein you can grow. Training, most ignored part in waste management. Training, may be it at any level, be it as a collecting level, transforming level, or waste management projects level. Everywhere there is a need of training. It is for changing our social behavior, and which is the main concept why we could not we could not convert our waste into zero waste. So training is also one of the major aspects. So we had seen services, training, research and development, trading, manufacturing and consultancy. So last and not least, trading. If you don't know anything but you have a good selling capacity, you have a good selling approach, then you can be into trading business. There are multiple people who are producing their zero waste businesses who are into manufacturing sector. You can use that products for selling, and you can be a trader from that business. So friend, it is really amazing that each and every sector has huge potential, and I can talk about every sector for several hours and hours, but this knowledge I had gathered for specifically for you. I had gathered this knowledge for you, and I am coming up with one webinar, wonderful webinar. It will be a 2 hours webinar with an expert. We can go ahead for this knowledge which I had shared with you about opportunities in waste management on 6th of December. On 6th of December evening, 7 to 9 p.m. we will be talking about multiple opportunities in this waste management sector. Therein we will also have a focus that what are the main criteria. I will say the 3 parameters wherein you should look for. First is when if you wanted to start a business in zero waste, then you should have a right mindset, you should select your right tool set, and you should have your right skill set. So on these points we will be discussing, and I will be putting all my experience of several years into that webinar. And I feel whosoever of you are action taker and wanted to come for the seminar, please register, click the link below, register for my webinar and be there. I will see you soon.